Goodbyes can be bittersweet. It seems like only 306 days ago we were snatched from our beloved Central Park Zoo and dumped here in rustic Madagascar. But now that we're leaving, seeing you all here, it reminds us just how many friends we've made.
Woohoo! That's the greatest speech I've ever...
Looks like the kid can't hold his seawater.
Well, at least he showed up.
I don't get it. It's not like Julian to miss a party.
Well, maybe for some people, saying goodbye is really hard.
Yeah, well, send him a postcard, because the wind's right on schedule. All right, let's do this.
Can I have your attention? The red eye to New York is about to board.
Woo! We're going home for Christmas!
Yeah.
Sandbags.
Check!
Ropes. Shirts. Snacks.
Shut!
It's working.
Oh, we did it!
It may not be pretty, but we head to the city. Woo! Candied yams from Sylvia's. That's what I want for Christmas.
I can't wait to get back to my hippo pool and that sweet smell of chlorine.
And I can't wait to see Dr. Manish, greatest chiropractor ever.
Me? I just want to see the snow falling down on my beautiful city. New York, here we come! Ow! What the?
Brace yourselves!
Get off me!
Guys, did you hear something?
Cannibals!
Cannibals! What?
Julian!
Oh, it's just the freaks. Maurice, I thought they left already. I hope we're still charging them rent. Mort, stop drumming already.
Sorry.
False alarm, everyone. Back into hiding. It was just a cruel hoax.
Hoax? What kind of sick joke is this, huh?
Sorry, we thought you were the marauding red night goblin.
The marauding red whatling?
Maurice, every year on the 24th of January,
January?
It's a festive holiday named after His Majesty.
it starts with a red glow. Then the air fills with the goblin's horrible, mocking laughter. Then he pelts us with hundreds of black rocks.
Red Night Goblin! The Red Night Goblin's coming!
Okay, I get it. It's picking on the king day. Very funny. You can stop now, Mort. I know it's you back there. I did it, everybody! Everyone after the goblin! Don't let him get away!
Candy canes?
Presents?
These rocks taste like coal.
Hang on a minute. Alex, I think you just shot down...
Who's laughing now, Red Night Goblin? I am, that's who.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Madagascar!